How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna teach you how to download Blender, and if you already have downloaded Blender like me, I'm gonna teach you how to install it first. So go to the search bar, type add, and it'll quickly show up add or remove programs. Enter. On the search list, type Blender, click on Blender, uninstall, yes. It'll show this loading screen thing. Please wait while Windows configures Blender, and it'll pretty quickly uninstall Blender so we can start the process of downloading it. But if you didn't already have Blender, what you need to do is open up any browser that you have. I have Google Chrome, so I'm gonna use that. Type blender.org. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you don't want to type it. Now this is the homepage of Blender. So in here, pretty easy. It doesn't really change that much, the layout, so it's gonna be this blue button right here. You can click it, or there's also download over here. So I'm just gonna click the blue one. Now it automatically selected Windows for me, which is good because I have a Windows. But if you have any other type of computer, you can select it for your computer here. There's even a Steam version that you can download from Steam. So I'm just gonna click on the blue button here, download Blender 3.6 LTS. That's the most recent version of Blender. Now it'll say here, if you want to donate to support the future of Blender, you can do that if you want to. Now remember, this is for free. You don't have to do this. It's just if you want to contribute to help Blender. Now I'm gonna click this on the left bottom corner, which is what I have to open to start installing Blender. I'm gonna close my web browser. You don't need to, but I just wanted to. Now click on next, accept the terms, next, install, and yes. And it'll quickly install Blender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. 10 seconds. Finish, and you will have a desktop icon just like mine right here. So if you want to click on that, and it'll open up Blender. Now, don't get confused by this, but on the bottom, the old icon of Blender was showing up there. So yes, I'll delete it, and then I'll pin the new version here. I just did it by right click and then pin. So yeah, keep it down there. Or you can also drag this over here down there. Okay, you could do it either way. Now, this is the splash screen, or I don't know how they call it, the homepage, I guess, Blender, I guess. So now, I'll give you a good tip to do before you do anything. Go to Edit up here on the left top corner, select Preferences, and then do System. Click on System, and then if you have a graphics card, you can select CUDA or Optic X, which I think is if you have a RTX card, a ray tracing card, you can select this. But if you don't, that's fine. You can select CUDA. I'm not really sure about the other ones. I would have to research that. But as of right now, I have selected Optic X. Now, it does let you select the CPU also, but I'll just tell you to just select your graphics card. Okay. And another thing, go to key map and then go down, scroll down, go to 3D view, go to 3D view global, go down, and then it should be view navigation, walk, fly. Now this is if you have used Unreal Engine. If you come to Blender and you try to navigate around the viewport, it's gonna be weird. So I suggest you change it to Shift F like in Unreal Engine. So just click on here and then press Shift F, and then it'll change it to normal way of viewing the viewport. Okay, so yeah, it's this one right here. I don't know if you can tell where my mouse is, but it's this one. I just changed this one. I already had it, by the way. Okay, because I've changed it before. Now, what else? Also, go to navigation and trust me about this, okay? Click on this to depth and orbit around selection. And you'll know why later. I'll actually make another tutorial, maybe explaining why I turned those two on. But yeah, it just saved me from like hours of research. But yeah, pretty much this is how you download Blender. And oh, by the way, before closing that, I forgot to tell you. But I think it automatically saves the preferences. Yeah, if you have this checked box right here, it would automatically save it, so you don't need to. But I like to just click here, save preferences, so I make sure I save my preferences. So this is how you download Blender, and let me know what you think. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, like this video. See you guys on the next video. Bye.